Electric skillets are one among the innovative cooking equipment developed to make cooking easier and more efficient. They provide an even heating surface with better temperature control. However, not all electric skillets are designed the same. They are equipped with several different advanced features and have different specifications to suit the budget and meet individual needs. We did extensive analysis and read lots of reviews and articles to make a list of the best 5 electric skillets from famous brands. That may help you make the right decision. Let's watch the video. Welcome to Best Get. We review kitchen and dining products. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Number 1. Presto 6857 Electric Foldaway Skillet. Presto's 6857 electric skillet features a heavy cast aluminum base with a nonstick surface so that the food won't stick to the surface. Besides, the aluminum base makes it resistant against scratches. With a power rating of 1500 watts, the skillet can be used to roast, fry, grill, stew, and bake. It has a built-in spout for pouring liquids conveniently without spilling. The skillet can be doubled down and used as a spoon and spatula holder while cooking and serving the dishes. It has a 16 inches base and high sidewalls that provide large cooking space and serving capacity. After cooking, the handles can be folded and the pan can be detached from the base for easy cleaning and compact storage. Plus, the skillet pan is dishwasher safe. Along with the skillet, you get a removable base and tempered glass cover. The skillet is backed by a 1-year limited warranty from the original date of purchase. Number 2. Bella Electric Ceramic Titanium Skillet. Bella's electric skillet is equipped with a 12-watt heating system that cooks food 30% faster than other skillets. It has a cast aluminum base with ceramic non-stick coating that is 8 times more durable and prevents food from sticking onto the surface. Plus, it is reinforced with titanium for increased durability and scratch resistance. The skillet has cool touch handles on both ends for convenient handling and serving even when the skillet and food are hot. The pan provides a large cooking area with a 12x 12 inches base. The skillet is accompanied by a tempered glass lid that prevents food spatter while cooking. The skillet along with the lid is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Bella backs this ceramic titanium electric skillet with a 1-year limited warranty from the original date of purchase. Number 3. Elite Gourmet EFS 400 Personal Electric Skillet. Elite Gourmet's EFS 400 electric skillet is perfect for small kitchens with a cooking, serving capacity of 32 ounces. It features a compact and portable design with 7x 7 inches size. It is an ideal option for camping and recreational vehicles. It is made of PFOA-free materials to ensure your safety and has a power rating of 600 watts. Plus, the non-stick cooking surface prevents the food from sticking on the surface for hassle-free cooking and cleaning. The electric skillet is equipped with a temperature dial using which you can adjust the temperature of the skillet for cooking and warming the food. There is a clip-on handle that can be removed when you want to clean and store the skillet. It has a tempered glass lid with a cool touch knob to prevent food splattering and keep the food warm. Number 4. Nesco E8 Electric Skillet. Nesco's E8 electric skillet has one of the highest power ratings with 800 watts for providing a high temperature. The pan is made of die-cast aluminum that is sturdy and is resistant against scratches. Plus, the 8 inches base with a deep interior is suitable for roasting and frying. The surface is non-sticky that prevents food from sticking onto the surface for fast cooking and easy cleaning. The skillet features a sophisticated thermostat temperature control for adjusting the temperature to cook a variety of dishes. It has a pilot light that makes it easy to read the temperatures. The skillet comes with a sturdy tempered glass lid to prevent food spatter and to keep the food warm. The cool handle allows you to use the skillet as a serving pan when the food is hot. The lid is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The electric skillet is backed by a 1-year limited warranty from the original date of purchase. Number 5. Dash Nonstick Surface Electric Skillet. Dash's electric skillet features a 14 inches cooking surface with 25 inches depth that can feed up to 6 people, with 20 cups of cooking capacity. The skillet is perfect for large families, small parties, and social gatherings. It has a 1400-watt power rating that quickly heats up the skillet to 450 degrees in less time. It is equipped with a temperature probe and dial that allows you to set the desired temperature based on the food you cook. The electric skillet's cooking surface is made of PFOA-free materials for safe cooking. Plus, the surface is non-sticky for consistent cooking results and easy cleaning. There is a cool touch handle for secure handling of the skillet while serving hot food. It comes with a tempered glass lid for checking the food while cooking and retaining heat to keep the food warm. Along with the electric skillet, you get anti-sleep feet, removable cords, recipe book, and recipe database access. The skillet is backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty from the original date of purchase. Thanks for watching. If you need more information, feel free to visit the link in the description box or the comments below. If this information helps you make the right decision, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. That's encouraged me to create more.